Family Mealtimes. You're only as happy as your fussiest eater. That's why today I'm with the Bush family to help them master mealtimes. Meet Ian, 8.5 years old. Hates vegetables, school and girls. Although that's probably going to change.
I'm allergic to vegetables, if you know what I mean.
Sorry, he doesn't know what that means. At least I hope not.
Emily, Ian hates vegetables. It's such a pain in the you-know-what. Yes, thank you, Chloe.
We've tried everything. Patience.
Oh my God, Dad!
Is this not helping?
Bribery. I'll give you £1.
Make it 20.
Where did you get the card machine?
We said that carrots help you see in the dark. Big mistake.
Just a few broken toes.
The way I see it, we have two options, all right? Option one.
What's option two?
Option two, HelloFresh, a recipe box delivery service.
You don't end up eating the same food, do you? Kate's totally exhausted, Spagbo.
There are over 30 recipes each week for you to choose from. Loads of family-friendly options for those, let's call them, picky eaters. You select a day and it's delivered straight to your door. Less trips to the supermarket, winning.
1 tablespoon of cumin.
Oh yeah, that's the best part. All the ingredients are pre-portioned, so there's no waste, and you can see how long it'll take you. So it's perfect for when you're on the go.
So they're idiot-proof.
Ish. Anyone fancy making chicken and peanut butter noodles?
Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
So do you prefer option two then, Ian?
Well, I'm more into broccoli, if you know what I mean.
Click the link below to get your very special discount.